Good day, everyone. So I'll be demonstrating about how to use Zotero. So first, let me share my screen. So first, if you have your Gmail account, log into your Gmail account. After you log in there, you will find that there's this Google Apps icon, or what they call the waffle. Some they call it the waffle. So just click it. And then you will find here that you have Science Direct. Okay? Because in our university, it is part of the paid services in our Fatima G Suite. So then I will type my email address. And I will continue. So first we need to get the source of our literature. So it said there that I can now go to my email. So I click get access. There are two choices. You can actually search anonymously. In my case, I already registered. That's why it says here my name. So that means I've already registered in Science Direct. So I'm going to type here my the topic of the research. So let's say it's Internet of Underwater Things. So I'm interested in that. And then I press enter. Then let's say I want to use this one, an energy efficient data collection protocol, blah, blah, blah. So I can just choose the article, and then after choosing it, notice that at the top, it shows download one article. If you want more, you can select more. Like I can click an overview of the Internet of Underwater Things. And also this. So let's say high speed and reliable underwater wireless optical communication systems. So I have 3 now. There, so I have 3. I'll just click this. The one that says download 3 articles. So let's click this. Okay, so that's one way. And look, now it's already in the process of downloading. Okay, so that is for me to have the hard, to have a soft copy of the full article. Now let's go to the first one. So let's say I'll choose this one first, an overview of the Internet of Underwater Things. Now, if I want to glance or read the research article, if you notice, this is the abstract and so on. So what I can do next is notice that I have here a plugin. So let me annotate over here. Can you see it? Looks like an axe. So this is the plugin. But first you have to, let me clear first the drawings. So the first thing that you have to do is you now have to, so it's called Zotero. You have to download Zotero. So type Zotero download in your Google search engine or other, you can also use Bing, no? So there's download for free. This is Zotero download. Yan, you can use that. So after you download, so take note, downloads. This is Zotero free download. Okay. And then after you click this, so like here, it tells you what Zotero is. So it's a free and open source reference management software. So for your bibliographic data and even for citations, no? So let's say if you're going to use, this is the new Opera, oh no, not that. Sorry, let's go to Zotero. Here, Zotero download. So you just go to Zotero downloads, click. And then, yeah, you have to now choose which one. So you can choose Zotero 5 for Windows. And there's the Zotero connector, meaning it will install it in your Chrome browser. So in my case, I downloaded both. So just click download. Also here, download. Okay. If ever, yeah, so I'm able to use the other one. So anyway, if ever there's an error, you just have to try the first one. So this is Zotero 5 for Windows. Okay, so it's extracting now. Okay. So I won't click yes anymore because I already have Zotero set up in my computer, but you just have to click yes and follow the steps, right? I'll click no for now. Then for the plugin, you have to do the same thing, install, and then this is what you'll get. Once you click on, yan, ito yan. This is the plugin. Let me just clear all drawings. So this is how you use it next. So let's say you're done with downloading it. Now this is what happens next. You can click on the journal entry. And then afterwards, it has here the extensions or the plugins. So if you see that it has a list already, that means I have different plugins. So you just click on Zotero, okay, Zotero connector. So click that. And then it says saving to my library. This is because I already opened my Zotero standalone or the other one. So you just, after you have downloaded it, you can click Zotero standalone. And then, so let's click that. And then this is what you will see, this one. Okay. So this is the Zotero. Can you see it, guys? Can you see Zotero? Hi. Kathleen, can you see it?
No po, ma'am.
Ah, no. Okay, let's try that again. So how about now? So as I said, you click on your start button, and you can type Zotero, because this is assuming that you have downloaded the Zotero installer and you have already followed the steps to configure it. Okay. So now, after that, as I've mentioned, we also have here. So can you tell me, did you see it already, the Zotero standalone? This one, guys, can you see it?
Yes po.
Okay, good. Then now I'll proceed to the research article or the journal, research journal article. So as I've mentioned, because I also downloaded the Zotero connector, it's now here. Over here, you just have to click on that icon, click, and then click Zotero connector. So it says saving to my library, because it will include it in your database, or in other words, a list of all the research articles you have access. So I go to Zotero. Again, let's check. So here, these are some of the articles that I have already accessed. Okay, so let's try this again. Let me just try this once more because it says something here. So let's go back again. So I resent the link to access Science Direct. Okay, and then I go back to Internet of Underwater Things. The search keywords, I type this. Okay, and then as I've mentioned, I want to get this one, an overview of the Internet of Underwater Things. So it's now here. Then I click on Zotero connector, saving to my library. Let's just give it some time to save. Okay, while it's saving, let's check. I think what happened was I downloaded. So ito muna, no? Sige, example muna. I think the connector has some technical issues, but let me just show to you this. So I also got this from Science Direct. So like I have this Internet of Things security. So what happens is that it sends it copies all the citation, the bibliographic data of that article. So like what you see here. Can you see it, guys? This one. Can you see the bibliographic data? Hi. Can you see it, Chos? How about Kendrick? Can you see it?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so what happens next? So let's say thank you for the response. So if it's Internet of Things security challenges and perspectives, I just have to click edit, copy bibliography, and then I open a Word file and I can put here references and then paste. So there it is already. Diba? Hindi nyo na kailangan, you don't have to do it manually. It's already there. And then let's say another one. So let's say Deep Belief Network, edit, copy, bibliography. And then I paste it there. Or this one, copy, bibliography, paste. So ganun na siya. All you have to do is, you just have to copy the bibliography and it's already in your references. Okay. Now, what if it's going to be citations? Okay, so citations now, just an example. So let's say I want to cite cybersecurity in the Internet of Medical Things. I click on edit menu, copy citation, and then I can already have here the citation. So like I can say, according to Tamashan Adashi, so in cybersecurity. So yeah, you can now proceed. There is a possibility of further cyber attacks. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So you just have to copy and paste. Yeah. Usually this has a year. Yeah, example 2020. Yeah, so it's already there. Diba? Then another, let's say, deep belief network, edit, copy citation, and then paste. So you can even have Balakrishnan et al. Stated that stated in the name of the article that, and just explore it, expound or explain your research article further. Diba? So this is usually for the review of related literature. Okay, these are just examples of the citations. Okay. So again, as I said, first you need to have your source article. So let's say this one, or let's say you can also check on Google Scholar. So there's Google Scholar. And in Google Scholar, you can actually search for that. So let's say Internet of Underwater Things. Let me try that again. Internet of Underwater Things. And then say this one, a comprehensive study. I just click on Zotero. There's no full text. Let's check. And here, so it's now here, a comprehensive study on the Internet of Underwater Things. And then I click edit, copy bibliography. I go to my Word file where I will put the document. So it's already here. Yeah, the one that I just opened. And then if I want to cite it, click that article, title, edit, copy citation, and then paste. So you can say that Cow et al., meaning cow and the other authors and the others. It's a Latin word, or they are Latin words. You can say mention in a comprehensive study on the Internet of Underwater Things, that then just elaborate on your research topic. So, and you just add the year. Usually it's done like that. Okay. So again, you need your source of your literature, whether that's Google Scholar or Science Direct, and then open Zotero. This one. This is Zotero. And also make sure that your plugin or the Zotero connector is already working, meaning you have downloaded and installed it. Then that's all you need to do. And it makes for easy bibliographic data or for easy referencing. So there you have the use of Zotero. It's an open source bibliographic data software, which you can now use for your research reference purposes.